Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Susie and this is Itchy Feet. Today we're going to talk about these two backpacks right here. This is the regular size Fjallraven Kanken and this is the mini size. So we're going to compare them both. I am going to give you a walk through the main features, all the main compartments, and kind of show you what fits inside each of them. Without further ado, let's dig right in. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy videos about travel, reviews about hotels, airlines, reviews of trips I've done in the past, and things you can use for your trips, this is the right channel for you. All of my reviews are honest and I will never share with you anything that is not true, even if an item has been sent to me for review, which is not the case of either one of these. They're both were bought with my own money. Okay, so this first one is the regular size Fjallraven Kanken. This is such a mouthful to pronounce. But this is the one for the 15-inch laptop. So it has the sort of strengthened, more comfortable shoulder pads, which I really like. And this is the number one reason why I ordered this one. And this one is the Kanken Mini. I will show them to you side by side so you can see a little bit kind of the dimensions of each one of them. But needless to say, this one is not half this one, okay? This is more than half the size of this. So I'm gonna show this one inside and then I'll show you this one. Okay, so I'm gonna get you a little closer here so we can see the bag better. So I have actually used this one a lot. I have given it a tough life and I've had it for, I'm gonna say 3 years now, and it still looks new. It got very dirty on my last trip to Nevada because we were hiking. It got really dirty because I put it on the ground to take pictures. I put it on the floor in restaurants. I took it with me in the plane. I put it under the seat. So what I did is I washed it by hand first, and I could not get all the stains, like all the, especially kind of on the edges. And then I just put it inside the washing machine on its own because I didn't want it to potentially stain other items of clothing. But it didn't, the water wasn't orange at all. So it didn't lose any kind of the dye, which was good. So the main thing with this backpack is that it has this padding here, which makes it very comfortable. It's adjustable. And then here in the back, you have this compartment. It doesn't go all the way to the bottom, but this is padded and you can put comfortably a 15-inch laptop. Mine is 17 inches and it fits. So now I haven't used it that much for my laptop, to be honest with you. I think I've only used this for my laptop once because now I'm using my other backpack I have, which looks more professional than this one. I'm only using this for like leisure trips. So one of the things, the beautiful things about the Kanken backpack is that they're very stiff when you buy them. And then when you use them, they get very soft. So this one is already like soft, and it's not because I've washed it. It's because it's been used quite a bit. So the more you use it, the better it looks in a way. They're super durable. Now, the main compartment is very big. I like that it has this label so you can put your name on it. I haven't put the name on it. And then it contains this thing, which goes all the way in. I'm not gonna get it out, but this is actually to sit on. So when you want to go hiking or you're doing a picnic or whatever, you can put this, whatever you're sitting, so that your your clothes don't get stains. So that's really nice. And then you put it right back there. I took this off when I put it in the washing machine. So, because I didn't want it to, this is like, I don't know what kind of material this is, but I was afraid this was gonna get, like deteriorate with the water. So then all Kanken have this zippered pocket here. I don't know if you have anything here. It's actually quite big. You can put your wallet, your phone. It's a nice size pocket. And then here on the sides, here you can actually put Now, I don't think you can fit here more than like a regular size water bottle. I don't think you can put a 40-ounce bottle here or on the other side. And if this is very full, you can't really fit anything here because it gets so packed, so tight, that all you can do is put here your phone, which is what I use it actually. I put my phone here and my filming camera here on the other pocket here. That's it. You can put your water bottle inside though, because this is super spacious, and I'll show it to you in a minute. Now let's go to the Mini. So I haven't watched the Mini. I have used it so much as well. I've had it less time than the other one. However, this one is like the perfect size for like going to an amusement park or the zoo, or when I went to Disney, I used this. It's just great for all of that. Now this one has my mask right there. These pockets is the same design as the other one. It doesn't have the zipper here, obviously, because this does not fit a laptop. It has this here. Again, you can fit your, what do I have here? Oh, this is lotion. You can fit your phone in here comfortably, even one of the big ones. And you can put your mask in here, something else. Maybe your camera. You have a separate camera like I do. You can do that. This pocket is much smaller, and I kind of have this because it's easier to just close it. Take it up and down, and then here I have, what do I have? Oh, I have my tickets from when I went to Disney. And this one is the hotel key from when I went to Vegas recently. So, yep, then you close it like that, and then inside, this is pretty cool. Again, it fits kind of a lot, and it has this same padded thing right here that you can get out to sit on. So this is pretty cool. It even explains there, because I don't know, people were not utilizing it the right way, I guess. It has there, it says seat pad. These come in really handy. Don't get rid of them, guys, because they're really comfortable. And then here you can fit a lot of stuff, but let me show you when you can fit. I am going to put them next to each other. Okay, so here are one next to the other, and as you can see, this one is much bigger than this one. I'll put the specs below in the description box so you can go check them out. I put links to the site as well, but yeah, there's not the same space in each of these. So just for context, here I can put my tablet, which is 7.5 inches here. And then in this one, I can put my 17-inch laptop, even though the bag is supposed to be for a 15-inch laptop. So, yep, they're both very easy to kind of pack. Although this one goes further. That's one thing I've noticed. This one goes all the way here to the bottom. So you can pack a lot of stuff and fill it up to the brim. And this one doesn't really go that far. So there's still more that it could go down here to the bottom, but it doesn't. See what I mean? Like here, this one goes all the way till here, and this one kind of, it's harder to fill to the brim. It has almost the same amount. It's probably the same amount, actually. Yes, it's the same amount of space here, but obviously this one gives you access to a lot more that you can put in here. So things I brought in here, usually when I am traveling in a plane, I put my blanket here because you don't get blankets anymore in national flights in the United States, and my pillow, one of those pillows that you use on planes to try and sleep. So that's what I can put in here. Here, I cannot fit either one, not even one of those items on its own. I can't fit the blanket, and I can't definitely not fit the pillow. So for what it's worth, this one also doesn't have the option to get it with the padded straps like this other one. So, but in my opinion, these are great bags. I love that everything is like triple like this. See, everything is like so well sewn and like tripled. Like I like all the stitching is done really great. I think these are super durable. There's people I've seen online who've had these bags forever, for like 50 years. So Yeah, they've been around, and the design has actually been the same for quite a while. They have other designs that are not Kanken, but these, the Fjallraven, the Kanken especially, it's always been like this. So if I could only afford one of these, I think I would buy this one because it's the perfect size, again, just to fit things for a day trip somewhere. It's perfect for your wallet, your camera, some other stuff you might want to put in here, like suntan lotion, things like that. Hand sanitizer, that's perfect. This is a little bit big for that. Now, if you're doing a longer trip, you're on an airplane, on a bus, this is perfect for that. If you have to carry your laptop, that's another option with this one that you can't do on this one, okay? But yeah, I think they're phenomenal backpacks. I am waiting to get the strap, the hip, I think it's called the hip backpack. And as soon as I get it, I'll do a review of it as well. I'll do an unboxing so you guys can see it, and I'll put it side by side with these two just so you guys can see the size of that one as well. But yeah, I mean, these are great backpacks. I love using them. It's just, they are like, I love the tactile experience as well. Again, the more you use them, the softer they get. And they have like, they're different in the materials to any other backpack I've ever owned. So yeah, okay guys, that's gonna be that. Click here on my face to subscribe to the channel, and here if you want to watch more videos. See you in my next video.